Blessed day. Welcome to Yard Whole Food Vegan Services. And in this series, I'm going to show you how to make your water infused with light power ray from the sun light. So this is the sun, and we are using the light power rays, electromagnet fields and waves to infuse our water with light, color, waves, fields, frequency, heat, all the properties of light, or all the entities of light, not properties. So this is the technique. We should have glass bottles like this, and we should get filter water, distilled water, or any type of filtration water will do. And you put it in the bottle, and we are going to leave it out in the sunlight for minimum 7 days. Then the water will start turning a light tint green, as you can see in two of my bottles. This one is just 2 days old now. No, 1 day old, the bigger one. So this is the technique of energizing the water. This water is more powerful than just filtered water. This water has great healing properties because of the so-called plantains that start growing in the water, while the plantains, or the so-called plantains, which is green light, been trapped in the water, starting to change the water, right, making the water more like coconut water. This water will remove acid from out of our body and will rejuvenate weak, very weak and sick patients, especially patients with heart problem. The water, after start changing color, will have a different taste, a more palatable taste. It's like eating a vegetable. It will have that type of taste, like chlorophyll, or one of those not seaweed, the freshwater fungi that grows. This is the way, this is the technique of light infused water. This water will prolong the cell life, because this is the type of water your cell uses. Thanks for watching, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to Yard Whole Food Vegan Services. Have a blessed day. Light power.